Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed. My name is Akaya. I once was an Instacart shopper. Like I shopped for 3 years and I have not Instacarted since the big C. So, but when I say thank God for that around the big C time, because it really helped me pay my bills because I am an entrepreneur. I do hair, I do all kind of things. But my main purpose today going in here, I was going to shop and I also was about to feel comfortable on camera while I am at the store. Not even necessarily, it's just like since I have not been on camera so long in the store, I feel kind of weird. So I wanted to do a pre-run. Not only did I want to feel comfortable in the camera, but I wanted to come in here and get familiar with my store. So this video is for when you starting Instacart for the first time, or if you have not done it in a long time. Get comfortable with what is in your store, because every store has something different. Every store has different areas, and sometimes you might find, like for instance, this Welch's right here. You might find this Welch's in this aisle with the Gatorades, but if you go to Kroger's and other stores, they're not there. So my thing is, again, I'm getting familiar, looking and seeing what's over here. I kind of remember, but again, it's been a while. So get yourself familiar with the different items. And the thing I can truly say that I loved about doing the Instacart is I learned new things. Like I found all kind of new things, y'all. So that's one good thing. Let me switch it over to here. Hold on one second. I have to get me a side hustle because you know I am a hustler and I got to give me some. It's so much that I want for 2025. It's always nice to be able to have multiple streams of income if you can. You know, if you're not, that's cool. But again, I am on the road of trying to do big things for 2025. So if you are on that road as well, I just want to just do different things. And I wanted to show you guys like what it is. Again, like I said, being inside here, because you get nervous because you will be like using your phone to be able to put, like you'll be picking up stuff using your phone. So if you don't feel comfortable, like, oh my God, somebody looking at you, nobody looking at you. So don't think that they are. They trying to get their items and get what they got to get out of here. But like I told you guys, it is so much different stuff you learn. And not only did I learn, y'all, I feel like doing the Instacart, I lost weight. Like when you are running around trying to find this and try to find that. And it also, to me, guys, was a game. I know that sounds crazy, but it was such a game, y'all. Because it's like you had to come over here and be like, especially if it's an item that you don't usually get. Like, for instance, this. I never heard of ghost. Okay, so you see this item right here. You'd be like, okay, this is it. Like, you go, hurry up and go get it. No, you got to look. You got the kiwi, you got the lemon lime, you got the orange squeeze, you got all kind of different things. And like I said, these items I have never seen before, and it teaches you to learn new things. Not only do you learn new things, you also go to different areas. It depends. It's cool. You find like different parks. So again, this video is for me to remember once I start this Instacart, why I started it. Now, a thing, we're gonna keep this on a positive note. Like if you ask me why did I stop doing Instacart, I'm gonna be honest with you, because the money kind of got small and you feel like you running all around doing so much and not getting nothing out of it. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the flexibility of being able to just get out and do what you want to do is so cool. So if an Instacart rep is looking at this, we love what we do. We just need to get paid more, because I don't know if y'all remember, but it was a big old they went on strike because, oh look, it's cold out. It's cold out. Let me stop what I was telling y'all. It's cold. It's no chicken. Y'all, we get crazy. Down in the South, when it snows and when it's cold, people get crazy. But anyway, let me think. What was I saying? Dang, I lost my train of thought. I lost my train of thought. Oh yeah. I was talking about, guys, how the pay, they all of a sudden just stopped paying real good. But when they was paying good, they was paying good. So if you are thinking about getting back out there, trying it again, yes, try it. I'm telling you, none of these people is thinking about you. So don't think like, oh my God, I'm going to be embarrassed if I do it wrong. If you do it wrong, then do it right the next time. If you nervous, do it nervous. Because I'm telling you guys, this video, I am about to get back out there and start my Instacart. I'm going to do it for, guys, a full week. Because like I said, guys, this money that I was seeing that was coming up, I was like, what in the world? But I'm going to do it for a full week, see how a full week go. because you know that's my time, that's my gas. But if I'm making good tips, that's the thing. Like, if you they don't pay you much doing it, but if you are able to get good tips from the customers, then that's when you make your money. Comment below if you agree with me. But I'm looking forward to it. Like I said, it's all kind of stuff. Like, look at all these different cheeses, y'all. You probably didn't even know that it was all this different type of cheeses, because we always go for what we always go for. We always do that. So again, you learn as you go. It's nervous the first time you get out there. Take your time. I know we on a set schedule. You don't want to like take super long, but take your time. Do it right. Treat the customers right, and we go see how it go. Cause I used to get good tips. I'm not gonna lie to you, y'all. I used to get good tips, and then not only the tipping, it was the fact that it felt so good helping other people to shop. Because you know some people can't get out and shop like we are able to get out and shop, and if you blessed to do that, that's a good thing. But you don't want to be losing money in the long run. I was like, I don't want to lose money by working for them. Like, no, you are paying me. I'm not paying you. You get it? Okay, y'all. So again, I'm gonna upload this video soon. If you are getting back into the field, let us know below, because we let us know some tips we need to know, because I don't know nothing about the app. I used to know the app like clockwork. I don't know the app. I most definitely don't know the app. So if it's something that we need to know, let us know. And look at all this stuff. Look at all these different candies. And another thing, one thing I could truly say, guys, about Publix, they go help you. So, like, if you can't find something, oh, another thing, go ahead and download the whatever store is by you. Download that app. Get them apps already download. So when you come in here, you'll be on their Wi-Fi and you'll know where different things is located. Because Kroger's, it'll tell you where it's located. Publix will tell you where it's located. Now, one thing I can tell you though, Kroger's stuff is in crazy spots. Like, you will find the jelly clear in the gummy worm section. Like, again, like I told you, everything is different. Get familiar with your store. Find out where you're not going to be going. Cause I was so excited when I first started, y'all. I was all over Georgia. And if that's what you want to do, there's nothing wrong with it. Go all over Georgia. But you got to make it make sense. You know what I mean? Financially, physically, mentally, make it make sense. And we're going to do it. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. Go ahead and follow. Again, if you have any questions or anything, let us know below. Be blessed, guys. Be blessed, guys. Bye.